VCE maths methods. Here's the fastest way you can sketch a tan function using my SPAMmy method. S is for starting point. For this, we let whatever's inside the brackets equal 0 and then solve for x. And so doing this, we're going to get x is equal to pi on 4. P is for period. The period of this function is just going to be pi. A is the amplitude, and there's no amplitude for a tan function. M is the mean position. This is the constant that's added or subtracted to the trig function. There's no constant added or subtracted to this function, and so this is going to be the line y is equal to 0. I is for interval, which is the distance between each quadrant, and so this is going to be the period divided by 4. The period is pi, and so this is going to be pi on 4. From here we draw the x-axis, draw the line y is equal to 0 with a dashed line, which is the mean position, where x is equal to pi on 4 on the mean position, marking your starting point, marking the intervals pi on 4 units apart, and also the y-axis. The first vertical asymptote is going to be 2 intervals away from the starting point. The other vertical asymptotes are going to be 1 period apart, which is 4 intervals. The next point on the graph is going to be 1 period apart. We have a positive tan function, and so we need to draw a positive tan function approaching the asymptotes and passing through the points. And finally, for this graph, we need to mark in the coordinates of the endpoints.